4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, gorgeous property. Are you looking for the perfect family home? Well, you found it.
Welcome to 40 Driftwood Drive.
The spacious living room has a heat pump and large windows that overlook both the front and the backyards.
Currently used as a playroom, this versatile space would also be a perfect formal dining room.
The large kitchen offers plenty of cabinetry, granite countertops, and a walk-in pantry.
There's also space for casual dining, your dream coffee bar, and access to the bright sunroom.
Down the hall, you'll find access to the attached double-car garage and a half bath with laundry.
Let's head upstairs,
where you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, including the primary.
which features a private ensuite with a luxurious soaker tub and a tiled walk-in shower.
This level also has another full bathroom and lots of storage.
The finished lower level offers even more living space, starting with a family room with a wet bar and a 4th bedroom.
Finishing off the walkout lower level, you'll find another full bathroom, an office, and a gym, which could be turned into a bedroom. Thanks for watching. For more information on 40 Driftwood Drive,
visit frederictonhomes.com.